model, 2017 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 109 PS 2.0 TDI long wheelbase, flatbed dropside no VAT. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 138699. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 109 PS EU6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle. Camshaft is worn. Timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Engine has a rattle from top end and is also slightly popping. It runs and drives okay, but we suspect it could be slightly out of timing and has faulty rockers and lifters. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy.